What if one of the world's most trusted web frameworks started as a simple tool inside a small newsroom? This is the story of Django. In the early 2000s, web development looked very different from today. Languages like PHP and Perl dominated, and developers often had to write large amounts of custom code for every project. In 2003, a local newspaper in the United States, the Lawrence Journal World, faced a growing challenge: managing multiple news websites quickly and efficiently. The task fell to 3 developers: Adrian Halovity, Simon Willison, and later Jacob Kaplan-Moss. At first, they worked with PHP, but as their systems grew more complex, the limitations became clear. Code became harder to maintain, logic leaked into templates, and even small changes became risky. Looking for a better approach, they turned to Python, a language known for its clarity and readability. They didn't set out to build a framework. Their goal was simple: create a content management system tailored to real newsroom needs. Using tools like ModPython, they built a system that handled requests, URLs, forms, and databases, all while keeping code clean and organized. Over time, this internal tool evolved. Without realizing it, they had created the foundation of a modern web framework. In 2005, the project was open-sourced. It was named after the legendary jazz guitarist Django Reinhardt, and just like that, Django was born. From the start, Django stood out. It was practical, opinionated, and built to solve real-world problems out of the box. Even its documentation reflected something unique, clear, structured, and thoughtfully written, a reflection of its roots in journalism. As Django grew, it moved beyond its original creators. In 2008, it was placed under the care of the Django Software Foundation, ensuring its long-term stability and independence. Today, Django is known as reliable, mature, and sometimes even described as boring, not as a weakness but as a strength. Because in software, boring means it works consistently, predictably, and without surprises. What started as a simple newsroom tool became one of the most trusted frameworks in the world. And maybe that's the real story here. Great things don't always begin with big ambitions. Sometimes they start by simply solving real problems. Well, keep building, keep learning, and build things that truly matter.